Today, we will open a new factory here in Tilburg. On this site, we used to make photofilm. Digitalization forced us in 2006 stop doing this. In the meantime, we have developed new products and expanded into new markets. In addition to photo paper and offset plates, we also produce in Tilburg membranes for gas and water purification. And now we are going to produce cell culture media. From the decision till now, in a record time, we have converted an old factory into a new factory for cell culture media. I'm proud that we are opening this factory today. And I want to express my thanks to all who contributed to this great achievement.
It gives me great pleasure to send you a message about the start of operation at our new plant in Tilburg. Fujifilm's mission is to solve social issues in four business segments: healthcare, materials, business innovation, and imaging. The transformation of the photofilm plant in Tilburg into a production facility for life sciences is a symbol of our transition from our core business of photographic film to healthcare. As we continue to invest around the world, Fujifilm's goal is to become a leader in the broader healthcare sector in the area of prevention, diagnosis, and treatment.
What a great milestone for Fujifilm in Tilburg. The new facility will produce cell culture media for Fujifilm Irvine Scientific, a global leader in the development and manufacture of cell culture media since 1970, alongside our sites in Japan and the United States. Cell culture media are a critical raw material essential for the successful development and commercial manufacture of life-saving biopharmaceuticals. This new technologically advanced and sustainable manufacturing facility will play an important role in meeting customers' demands in Europe for reliable and local supply of the materials and support they need to produce the types of vaccines and advanced therapies needed by society today and to meet their needs tomorrow.
And here we go.